Looking to work smarter in your woodworking shop? In this video, we're showing you 10 cool woodworking tools every smart woodworker needs, featuring some of the most innovative and efficient tools from Wolfcraft. Whether you're a DIY hobbyist or a seasoned craftsman, these tools will help you boost accuracy, save time, and build better with less effort. Stick around. Tool number 7 is something you'll wish you had years ago. Without further ado, let's dive in. Transporting heavy or bulky items like crates, gardening supplies, or tools can quickly become a tiring and inefficient task, especially when stairs or uneven terrain are involved. The Wolfcraft TS850 transport system is designed to make those jobs effortless. This transport system is compact yet powerful, designed to handle everyday and DIY hauling tasks with ease. It supports loads up to 100 kilograms on flat surfaces and 50 kilograms on stairs, thanks to its rugged cast aluminum base plate and large puncture-proof wheels. The quick folding mechanism lets you set it up in seconds, while the handle extends to 110 centimeters for ergonomic, back-friendly use. 2 arched back struts help secure round items like gas bottles or flower pots, and the 49 by 28 centimeter base plate offers a stable platform for heavy loads. Non-slip wheels ensure smooth movement, even on steps. Whether you're moving tools, supplies, or bulky items indoors or outdoors, the Wolfcraft Transport system delivers strength, stability, and convenience in a foldable design, making heavy lifting simple and stress-free. For quick, efficient material removal in soft building materials, the Wolfcraft Rotary Rasp is the ideal accessory. Designed with a hexagonal shank, it allows fast, secure changes, perfect for cordless drills and screwdrivers. Made from tough WS steel, it's built to last even under demanding use. Optimized for clockwise rotation up to 3,000 RPM, it performs best on soft to medium density materials like aerated concrete, foam, and wood. Ideal for interior finishing, it excels at shaping cutouts, trimming edges, and creating recesses. The compact design offers excellent control and access in tight spaces, making it perfect for renovation, repair, or installation jobs. Its high material removal rate boosts productivity without the need for specialized tools. Durable, efficient, and easy to handle, the Wolfcraft Rotary Rasp is a reliable go-to for precise time-saving results. Without proper countersinking, screw heads may sit unevenly or cause materials to crack or split, compromising both the appearance and structural integrity of the work. The Wolfcraft Countersink Deburring Drill Bit Set is an essential kit for anyone seeking precision in screw connections and countersinking tasks. Designed for preparing holes with clean, flush finishes, this set excels at both shallow and deep countersinking, allowing screw heads to sit neatly below the surface for a professional look. Its hexagonal shank ensures quick and easy tool changes, saving valuable time on the job. The bits feature a pronounced centering tip for accurate drilling and a crosshole with a groove that optimizes chip removal, reducing clogging and improving efficiency. Suitable for use on wood, plastics, and non-ferrous metals, these durable WS material bits provide reliable performance with a single cutting edge and clockwise rotation. Whether deburring, counterboring, or countersinking, this set is perfect for clean, precise results every time. The Wolfcraft Adjustable Hole Saw is a versatile tool designed for drilling precise holes in drywall and softwood materials, making it ideal for installing hollow wall boxes, ceiling spotlights, drain pipes, and more. Featuring an adjustable diameter with integrated scales, you can easily set it to common sizes ranging from 35 mm to 80 mm. The included Allen keys simplify loosening and fastening the screws for quick adjustments. Its 8.5mm triangular shank fits all standard cordless screwdrivers and power drills. Equipped with 3 straight-set triple-tooth blades, the hole saw delivers clean, fine cuts through plasterboard, OSB, and softwood. With a cutting depth of 30mm, this single tool replaces multiple hole saws, saving space and budget while handling a variety of interior projects efficiently and accurately. Whether you're driving screws into tough materials like timber rafters, stone, or concrete, you need bits that can handle the stress without compromising performance or safety. The Wolfcraft Impact Bit Set Box is a compact yet powerful 7-piece accessory kit designed for professionals and serious DIYers who demand strength, precision, and reliability. Built to handle high-torque applications, these specially hardened bits are perfect for impact drivers, cordless screwdrivers, and power drills. Whether you're driving screws into hardwood, anchoring into concrete, or working with masonry, this set delivers consistent, impact-ready performance where standard bits fall short. Housed in a rugged 2-component plastic storage box with a secure lid, each bit stays protected, organized, and ready for action. With universal compatibility for all standard chucks, the set transitions seamlessly between tools and job types, from structural framing and deck building to installing stone anchors and masonry fixings. The Wolfcraft Impact Bit Set Box ensures efficiency, durability, and ease on every job. It's the ideal solution for anyone tackling tough materials with confidence and control. When working with granite, ceramic tiles, fine stoneware, or similar hard surfaces, achieving clean, accurate cuts is essential to avoid material waste, cracks, or uneven edges. The Wolfcraft Diamond Cutting Disc is the perfect tool for precision cutting tasks involving granite, ceramic tiles, fine stoneware, and other hard materials. Designed specifically for angle grinders, this Pro Ceramic Turbo Disc features a super thin 1.4mm sintered edge with a honeycomb structure and 10mm segment height, delivering fast, clean, and effortless cuts. Its closed-edge design ensures durability and long-lasting performance, while the turbo rim enables smooth, fine cuts ideal for detailed work. Easy to install and compatible with all standard angle grinders, the disc operates at a maximum speed of 80 meters per second, providing rapid progress without sacrificing quality. Whether you're tackling a bathroom renovation, laying new tiles, or working with granite surfaces, the Wolfcraft Diamond Cutting Disc guarantees precise professional results every time, making your cutting jobs faster, cleaner, and more efficient. The Wolfcraft Fixoflex. Sanding pads are a game changer for precise, low-vibration sanding, especially on curves and contoured surfaces. Designed with a flexible, elastic backing pad and Velcro fastening, they allow quick accessory changes for sanding or polishing. The dual-function axle can be locked for firm sanding on edges or unlocked for flexible sanding on uneven areas. This ensures even pressure and minimizes swirl marks or grooves. With an 8mm shank, they fit most drills and allow fast, easy tool changes. You can also use them in a stationary setup with a universal drill clamp for added control. Whether you're refinishing furniture, prepping wood, or polishing, Fixoflex pads offer the perfect blend of stability and adaptability. Ideal for DIYers and pros alike, they deliver smooth, professional results across a wide range of woodworking and restoration tasks. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, the Wolfcraft Master 600 offers a sturdy, adjustable, and portable workbench for all kinds of tasks. With a 120-kilogram load capacity and adjustable height from 78 centimeters to 95 centimeters, it adapts easily to your workflow. The 530 by 650 millimeter tabletop tilts from 0 degrees to 65 degrees and includes multiple clamping options, ideal for holding flat or round workpieces securely. A magnetic rack and tool holder keep essentials organized. Built using sustainably sourced wood, it's an eco-friendly choice. The foldable design ensures easy storage when not in use, perfect for compact workshops. Whether you're woodworking, sanding, routing, or assembling, the Workbench delivers professional-grade performance, stability, and flexibility in one smart space-saving solution. Upgrade your workspace with a bench that's built to support both your craft and your values. The Wolfcraft Undercover Jig Set is your go-to solution for creating strong, invisible wood joints. Perfect for furniture, cabinetry, and DIY builds. This precision pocket hole system comes in a high-quality 2-component plastic case and includes everything you need: the jig, stepped drill bit, adjustable depth stop, Torx 20 screwdriver blade, screw hole covers, and screws. Steel-reinforced bushings ensure guided, accurate drilling, while built-in presets support all standard board thicknesses from 12 millimeters. A measuring scale and adjustable stop allow quick, repeatable setup without guesswork. Ideal for corner, T-butt, and edge joints, it delivers clean, stable, and concealed connections without visible hardware. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, this jig ensures fast, precise, and professional results every time. With its durable design and user-friendly setup, the Wolfcraft Undercover Jig Set is a must-have for any woodworking toolkit. For emergencies, repairs, or routine tasks, having this multi-tool on hand means you're always prepared to cut, grip, saw, screw, or open without hassle. The Wolfcraft Versatile pocket-sized multi-tool is the ultimate compact companion for camping, hiking, travel, and DIY projects. This high-quality multi-tool packs 13 essential functions into one sleek device, including needle nose pliers, combination pliers, a wire cutter, a knife blade, a piercing awl, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, a saw, a double-sided file for wood and metal, a bottle opener, a can opener, and a hook blade. Each tool easily folds out and locks securely in place, with a safety release mechanism to prevent accidental closure and injury. Crafted from durable metal, this multi-tool is built to last and handle a variety of tasks on the go. It comes with a sturdy nylon pouch for protection and a convenient belt clip, ensuring it's always within reach. Whether you're tackling repairs, crafting, or enjoying outdoor adventures, this all-in-one multi-tool is an indispensable space-saving tool you'll want by your side. That wraps up our list of 10 game-changing woodworking tools, including some of the best Wolfcraft has to offer. Which one are you adding to your workshop? Tell us in the comments below. If you found something helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more videos on woodworking tools, DIY upgrades, and smart shop gear every week. Until next time, keep building smarter, not harder.